Happy 70th birthday, Tito Ray. God bless you. Ingat po kayo dyan. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tito Ray. Happy birthday. See you next year and hopefully magtuloy na po ang recovery in terms of health and more years to come and more adventures to come. Hopefully you can travel around the world too. Bye!
Happy birthday, Tito Ray!
Happy birthday, Tito Ray. Sana matupad yung mga wish mo. Alam ko, wish mo rin yung wish ni Cara David. Yun, enjoy lang. Enjoy natin yung
Many
natin.
more birthdays to come, Tito Ray. God
Birthday.
bless po.
Happy birthday, Tito Ray. Enjoy your birthday. Hopefully, makita namin kayo dito sa 51st State of America someday. Ingat, ingat.
Happy birthday, Tito Ray. Enjoy your day. We miss and love you all the time. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ray.
Happy birthday, Tito Ray! Stay safe po.
See you soon!
Ingat po kayo palagi.
Happy 70th birthday, Kuya Ray.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ray.
We love you. See you next year.
Happy birthday ulit.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ray. 70th birthday mo na pala ngayon. Wish ko sa'yo, good health palagi, alagaan ang sarili mo, at mag-enjoy ka lang kasama ang family mo. Happy birthday, Kuya Ray.
Meron niyang remote ito. Ano na, kaya na yan. Tatlo na lang. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, guys. Hindi ako prepared, happy birthday, Kuya Ray. Happy 70th birthday. I wish you good health. Tsaka, ano pa. Kasi meron pa tayong bakasyon sa next year, kaya dapat malakas tayo lahat. Especially ikaw, magsa-71 ka na next year, Exercise, saka yung mga bawal na pagkain. Yun nga, bagamat tayo may mga opinions tayo na hindi natutugma, pero siyempre yun naman ay kwentuhan lang, kanya-kanyang opinion lang. Tayo naman ay siyempre magkakaiba rin tayo ng mga views sa buhay, pero one thing lang ang mapapayo ko sa iyo, kailangan mag-agree ka sa Ate Edith, dahil yan ang nurse mo. Kaya yun, Baga sa contract, pag nakabili ka ng product, ang dami nakasulat. In the end, mag-agree ka pa rin sa Ate Edith. So, happy birthday sa'yo. At ayun, ingat tayo lahat nga. At sana magkita-kita tayo sa next year at marami pang years. We love you, Kuya Ray. Nandito si MJ, babati din. Po, happy birthday po, Tito Ray. Sana po mag-enjoy kayo sa day nyo. And have a safe trip po dito sa Philippines. See you po next year. Okay, dapat po kompleto tayo doon. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ray. We love you.
Hi! Good morning! Good morning sa mga taga Delaware. This is my Zumba day. And this is a very special day for a very special brother, Kuya Ray. Happy 70th birthday! So, ganito yun. Meron akong i-reveal na ngayon lang na napaka-sikreto. Kasi pag sa facial recognition, ang lumalabas sa face ko is Reynaldo Melgarejo. Naku, tayo palang dalawa magkamukha. Teka muna. So, enjoy your 70th birthday and more cakes to blow, more birthdays to come, and more reunions for the Melgarejo family. Oh, eto ang aking labi-dabi darling.
Kumpadre, bayaw, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Okay, good. Happy birthday, Ray. Sorry we can't come. See you next time. Bye.
Hey Ray, Utol! Happy 70th birthday! Welcome sa 70s Club, ha? Maganda tong club na to. This is the time you get to really take a serious look at everything around you, what you got, what you don't have, and still be thankful that, being alive is a big deal, di ba? It's a wonderful thing. Staying alive is even more great, di ba? But, when you reach this age, 70s, you get to not really slow down a bit. Pero ano ka lang, medyo cruising speed ka lang. Tapos, huwag mong kakalimutan. The cause of it all. The reason why you're still here on planet Earth. And that is the supernatural God. Be at peace with your God. Happy birthday again, my brother. And may Jesus bless you and give you all the health and all your other dreams. May they still come true.
Happy 70th birthday.
Happy birthday. Your birthday.